In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about the 5 characteristics of an entrepreneurial spirit that all successful entrepreneurs possess. The entrepreneurial spirit isn't something that you can be taught, but instead it is something that is developed from within. It develops in those individuals who can demonstrate a genuine passion for building something great, and those who are willing to push themselves to the limit to achieve their goals. Here are the 5 characteristics that indicate that someone has the entrepreneurial spirit to succeed. 1. They are deeply passionate. Passionate people know what it's like to completely understand a subject and are willing to dive deep into their understanding of the subject. People with an entrepreneurial spirit are genuinely passionate about the problems they are trying to solve and are energized by any challenges they face in their pursuit. 2. They are always questioning. The average individual hardly ever considers how ordinary, everyday things can be improved. Those who have an entrepreneurial spirit can't help but try and find ways to improve the ordinary. They continually question why things are done the way they are, and enjoy bucking the system to make necessary changes to succeed. 3. They are optimistic. To be entrepreneurial is, by nature, to be optimistic. People who possess an entrepreneurial spirit don't waste their time thinking about what they aren't able to do, but instead see the possibilities in everything. When you are first starting a business, the odds are strongly against you becoming successful. But by remaining optimistic, you can overcome challenges and survive setbacks along the way. 4. They take calculated risks. Along with being optimistic, entrepreneurs are predisposed to a high tolerance for risk. Rather than jumping blindly into action, those with an entrepreneurial spirit make calculated moves while understanding that they don't have a guarantee of succeeding. Successful entrepreneurs also can work autonomously and be decisive. The entrepreneurial path isn't always clear, so you have to be able to stay agile and adept in a high degree of ambiguity. 5. They take action. Above any other characteristic, those with an entrepreneurial spirit know when to execute on their ideas. You have to be able to go out and act on your plans to get real, honest feedback. This is because your ideas are meaningless unless they are acted on. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, you realize that the execution of your ideas is everything when it comes down to your success. Not everyone will be successful as an entrepreneur. It is essential to possess these 5 characteristics of an entrepreneurial spirit if you want to succeed in your business.